Hey everyone, here's a quick walkthrough on how to set and update goals using @Work. First, to get to @Work, you go to @work.churchofjesuschrist.org, and once you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard that will have on it all of the apps that you'll use for checking your pay, inputting your time, or updating things about your career and performance. We're going to use this career and performance app. If you don't see it, just click this plus button and then select career and performance to make sure that it's showing. Once it is, click on it. The first thing you'll see is a status bar at the top that shows you if you have any tasks to do. For example, a quarterly contribution summary, which is where you give a quarterly update on your professional development. That you can access by clicking this right there. I'm going to show you how to set a goal and then how to update that goal monthly. First, you're going to click on Goal Center. And on Goal Center, you'll be able to see a list of all of the goals that you have set and have been working on. To set a new goal, you just click the button Add right here. And then it's going to give you a couple of different boxes to fill in. First, a box for the name of the goal, a box for any additional details, can't spell while I speak. And then this box I find most helpful. What will indicate that this goal is achieved? I like to put some kind of an end to the goal. So something like this goal will be completed when I finish the book. You can adjust start date and end time if you'd like. There's a whole bunch of other tools and things here that you're welcome to play with, but those are the three that it asks you to input before you set the goal. So once you've got it looking the way that you'd like, you click Add, and that will add this goal to your list. Now, every month you'll get a prompt from Justin in the area email to update your goal, to check on your goals. This helps me when we have our one-on-ones to see the most recent information you put in about your goals. The way to do that is, you notice, by the way, that each of these goals has a little status bar next to it. This one shows not started. We'll change that in a minute when we update the goal. To update a goal, you do the same thing. You go to Career and Performance, click Goal Center, just like we did to get here, and you're just going to click the name of the goal. And now it's going to bring up a Update Your Progress bar right here. So you notice this goal is not started. I'm actually going to change it to in progress. I don't usually use the completion percentage, but you can if you'd like. And then you're going to put in a progress note, and you're going to select who can see it. If you want to make the note just for you, or if you want it to be for me to be able to see, you can type it there. And then you're going to update your progress. How are things going? What did you learn? What resources do you need, etc. And once you've typed in everything that you like, you're going to click Update Progress. And now you can see your progress is updated. If I go back out to my goals, I can see that here's this test goal. It's in progress. It's fully updated. And on my end, I will get a notification that says you updated your goal. Those are just some really simple tools. It took me all of 3 minutes to do that. That will help us to be able to have productive professional development conversations when we meet monthly, and will help you to keep track of what you're working on, set goals, update them, etc. If I can help with anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.